we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of YILEIDE 10A battery charger. Consists of the following features. Fast 10A charging. With a powerful 10A output, this charger refills batteries significantly faster than standard chargers. It is universally compatible with 6V/12V lead-acid batteries, including WET, AGM, GEL, and 12V lithium batteries, making it a versatile all-in-one charging solution. Comprehensive safety protection. Equipped with multiple built-in safeguards including overcharge protection, short-circuit protection, reverse polarity protection, over-temperature protection, and overcurrent protection. Spark-proof technology ensures safe connection, and the flame-retardant casing allows for worry-free, unattended charging. User-friendly design with long cables. Includes both a 2-meter AC power input cord and a 2-meter output cable with battery clamps, providing ample reach to batteries in hard-to-access locations in vehicles or boats. Clear LED indicators display real-time charging status, charging, fully charged, fault, for easy monitoring. Wide application. Ideal for charging and maintaining batteries for automobiles, motorcycles, SUVs, RVs, boats, lawnmowers, golf carts, and more. It serves as both an efficient rapid charger and a reliable battery maintainer, perfect for everyday use and long-term storage. Advanced repair and power supply functions. Features unique repair mode to help recover and desulfate slightly sulfated lead-acid batteries, potentially reviving underperforming units. The power supply mode provides stable DC output, making it a versatile tool for various 12V applications beyond just charging. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.